Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the freezer door gasket in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a flathead screwdriver, a heat gun, and some petroleum jelly. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new freezer door gasket and the instructions. The freezer door gasket provides the airtight seal around the door, keeping the warm air out of the compartment. The main reason why it would need to be replaced is if it wears out, splits, breaks, allowing warm air inside the compartment. That causes a frost buildup inside around the door. Open the freezer door. Using the 1/4-inch nut driver, loosen up 4 screws that hold the freezer door. Leave the door out and place it on a workable surface. Using the flathead screwdriver, pry out the old gasket and remove it completely. This is the old freezer door gasket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Sometimes a gasket will be twisted and deformed because of the packaging. You can stretch it in the sun if you've got one, or put it in a bathtub with hot water. Clean the mounting groove before the installation of the new gasket. Get rid of the kinks and bends in the gasket, as we suggested earlier, and start installation from the corners. Push in the sides of the gasket. If this is too much for your fingers, use a plastic or rubber mallet to persuade the gasket. Install the door on the 4 screws. Tighten the 4 screws using the 1/4-inch nut driver. Close the freezer door and check the gasket. If the gasket is not flat, use the heat gun or the blow dryer to shape it up. Be careful not to melt the gasket. It makes no sense after all this effort. If for some reason you don't like this gasket, burn it before the installation. Put some petroleum jelly on the gasket and leave it there for a few days. That will help to shape up the gasket. Now we can close the freezer door and plug the fridge in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.